Hello friends, this is Sagar from SD Creation, and sorry, I didn't upload any videos because I'm a little bit busy in my personal project. So no problem. So I'm back with another tutorial. So actually, we have been working on third-person shooter series. So this is a continuous series of that TPS shooter series. So in this video we will create ammo counter, and we just do some hood work because right now we don't know how we I show you. When I fire, you can see in the left corner there is a ammo. So we fire and now we are out of ammo, so we don't know what's going on because we don't have any hood setup right now. So when we pick sniper, we can fire, but after 10 ammo firing, we out of ammo, but we don't know because there is nothing on the hood. So first of all, going to set a widget, and after that we will create in second part we will create a reloading system, automatic reloading system. But first of all, we need to show how much ammo we have left, or how much ammo, max ammo, current ammo kind of stuff. And we need to create one crosshair also, because right now we don't have any crosshairs where to shoot. So okay, first of all, I need to tell you, in the last video we just set all this firing system but into this actually it kind of puzzle thing, so I make it simpler for you. So first of all, you need to unplug everything, because we will recreate and reset up this for more clear and more easy to understand. You need this first of all. Okay, just unplug everything. First of all, we check this. Okay, after that we need to put like this. Okay, if we keep rifle or we swap rifle is true, then we go to check if our rifle is valid, and then we can start rifle firing. And if it is not, we don't go over here, we just put over here and delete everything and take this into here, like here, and delete this also, or you can take this into here. Same thing but with this gun, sniper. Okay, we set same rifle and we set same for sniper, but this was go to here. We don't go from here, and this time we just go to from this. If it is not rifle, so we directly go into check it's sniper or not. So if it is a sniper equip, then we can fire after our rifle is valid. So now I know this is a different, but it worked fine and it is really easy to understand now. Put like this, so then we going to fire. Okay, and after this, how we stop our fire? So first of all, we need to simply Control C, Control V, go over here and delete this, and same Control C, Control V. If it is rifle, we stop the rifle when we release our mouse, and if it is not sniper, then we directly go and check this and stop this sniper. So this is easy and easy to understand. So you can look one more time. After that we will create a hood. So now it worked fine and it is not messy so much like before. So yeah, we fire, we stop fire, we firing, and we out of ammo. Then we cube, fire, and we don't have any ammos now. Okay, everything is completed. So this is our firing system. We change some, and after that we go into pickup. So into pickup must be, we need one thing I need to add. Just break out this line trace channel, break hit result, and into the location we just emitter, spawn emitter at location, put any emitter what you want. I just put medium emitter. So now when we fire, we got some effects in the end of our hit. Okay, so this is, you can put whatever you want according to where the hit. So now we create one widget, so we can create our widget over here. So we just make widget into here. Okay, because it's pickup BPs. So we create main UI. Okay, open it, and first we need to create a crosshair. So first of all, just we need 4 image. You can right click and drop 4 times. Okay, and rename it top, down, left, right. Okay, just take this and put it into this anchor it center. You need to anchor everything in center, because crosshair is always in center, so we need to center our anchor. So first of all, go and reset the values. Okay, then click this top and we need to set up values. So values, x is 0, y is -35. Put the -35, and here x size is 4 and y size is 25. And alignment we need to set 0.5, so it go over here. Okay, and into down, reset the values. We already set the anchor into middle. So here we need to set a 0, and y value is our 10, +10, and x value is our 4, and this is 25. Size y is 25. Okay, and alignment is just 0.5. Okay, so again reset all and put it here is -35. This is left -35, and this is 0, y is 0, and this is 25, and this is 4, and here we need to change a y alignment to 0.5. Okay, same, reset the value of right side, and here we need to set it x is 10, y is 0, size x is 25, and this is y is 4, and alignment 0.5. So it give you like this looking nice looking crosshair. So after this we need to create a image, one more image, and you can take your here, and this is our image of our weapon. You can make it and anchor it to the bottom side. Okay, remember, never forget to anchor your widgets, otherwise when you resize your widget it will look like a mess, so everything is messed out. So you need to anchor it every time whenever you set your things, so remember this. So this we need a text, one text, two text, and one more text. First of all we need to create a horizontal box. Take it like this and put everything into horizontal box like this. Okay, after this you need to here this is the current ammo, name it current ammo, and this is only a just slash. It is a partition of your max ammo and current ammo, and last one is you can name it max ammo, not that Maximo is a good site. You can download tons of animation from there. It's a nice site. So here we need just put 00, and this is max ammo, put 30. 30 is good, so it will look like this. So you can just little bit make it little bit big and put auto everything in. Okay, click this icon. If it is look like this, you can change it like this, little arrows direction. So you can click the auto and everything, set it to auto. Okay, and if you want you can rearrange your according to your needs. So put it like here, somewhere like here. Let's look good. Okay, if you want you can color it. You can give the colors of your ammos if you want. Max ammo is you can give a kind of purple, yes, like this. Okay, after that we need something to first of all we need to bind this image. Okay, create binding, and here we can take a help of our reference. So first of all we need to make a reference, get player character. My player character is SG character, cast to SG character. What is your, you can cast that, and after this you need to promote this to variable and set it as gref. I set it as gref. Okay, and go into get brush, and here you can just take this reference, and here we can just get rifle. So sorry, rifle. Where are you? Here you are. So here we can get item info. If you remember correctly, we just create our, just drag and put like this, so we can check everything in here. As you know, we create item info in the master, so we set everything in the master, so everything is work on child blueprints. So here you can see in the starting of the video, starting of the series, I create this item info, and we create everything, current ammo, max ammo, damage. We will take this damage into future when we fire on our enemy. So here is the item image, so we can put image over here. Rifle, I have good rifle image. You can put your own. Same, you need to find your sniper and put its image of sniper over here, so we can call this into here. So now in rifle BP we set the image, so we can take that image, break it. First need to break item info, and here we need only a image, so untick everything which we don't want. So here we need to make brush from texture, and you need to put like this. Okay, but here we need some condition. So into this we need some conditions, so we just put over like this. So we go here and get rifle equip, or get rifle swap. So when we roll our mouse, we equip that, we equip rifle, so we need or condition, or, because both time we just equipping our weapon, and that is rifle. So when we roll our mouse we also equip our weapon by rolling mouse, and if we press E, so we can equip our from E also. So we need both. So then if it is true, this or this is true, we set rifle image. So here you need to just thickness and 256, put 256 by 256. Okay, and same thing, you just make it branch and call it sniper. So here we need a sniper BP, and here we need get sniper equip. Similarly, sniper swap, sorry, not set, get, sometime it's get sniper swap. Okay, so same thing, same over here, we do over here. You need to do everything same like this. So if it is, then we make some room for everything and make look nice, make it look. So control leave this, and control C, control V, I think this is not working. No, it's work. Okay, good. So if it is true, if sniper is true, then we need to reset this like this. And if it is not, you just need to put on the false also if you want. Otherwise, if you leave this, when you compile, it will note give you the note. So put like this. So this is completed. If you want to check, we can check it when we cube. Sorry, we don't set it anything into here. We need to show in our create widget, create widget viewport. We need main UI. So, and here we need add to viewport. Okay, so now if we try, think will work. When we did you see? And when we cube sniper, image will change. When we roll our mouse, it know. When we cube uncube, it will know. Okay, so this is working. So we need to set current ammo, max ammo also. So same thing here, you need the same thing. We just copy all codes, excepting Control C. Okay, go over here and right click, and here you need a bind, create binding, and you can put it like this. Same stuff, but only here we need only a current ammo because this is a current ammo. Just make it like this and just put like this. So this is for rifle, and Control C, Control V, and here we need to change sim, current ammo, remove image, and if it is true, put like this, and if it is not, then directly set like this. So everything is work, and we just copy all the codes. It save our time. You can just copy and unselect this. We all need this into here. So create binding, same thing, make a room, Control V. So do this, same thing, but don't forget to change it's a max ammo, not a current ammo. Same over here, it's a max ammo. This is max ammo count. So here we Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, put it like this, and if it is true, go over here, put like this. If it is false, go over here, put like this. So when we compile and we can check, when we equip, everything is working, and now you see how much ammo you fire and everything is gone. When we roll our mouse, so we can see. Okay, so now everything is working, but here one thing we need to improve. This and this will not hiding, so we need to, first of all, we need to okay, here name it item image. Okay, make it variable, and here same thing for this. Name space, name it whatever you like. So, or just leave this. Oh, okay, we just, if we want, we just make it ammo count counter, ammo counter. So we can just hide and unhide this, and we need image. So whenever we equip our weapon, so we can put this into where you want. You can put it over here also. Okay, because code is working for all, so we can put it over here. So when we need to create this variable, and now we can view or hide. Visibility, set visibility. Okay, when we equip, set visibility, control C, control V. When nothing, you just put like this and hide. So what it do, it will hide the thing, and you can put this IRM images also into here, and you can control C, control V, put it like this. So it will change everything. So everything is hide now because we don't equip any weapon. So when we equip, everything is show, and everything is hide when we unequip. So it work for both guns. So you can see when I roll my mouse, everything is changed. Current ammo, max ammo according to the weapon. So it works very well, but we need to hide this, crosshair when we unequip mouse. So we can do this also. So we just take this, control left, right, top, one, where is down? Oh, I already have down, top, down, left, right. We need right. Where is the right? Okay, put like this. You can, and I don't have much time. You can just make cleaner thing, because it's a tutorial. You can clean this mess you want, but I just put like this, and now everything is work fine. And this tutorial will now complete. So we compile and save and check everything will work. Hope. Yeah, do you see everything is gone when we unequip? So yes, we can, okay. And one thing I like to add, one thing, you can add percentage progress bar. In the future we will create health. So we just make this, and right now we just fill this, and oh sorry, health, not health, text. We need text. Okay, put this text into this, or if you want, just name it health, and size 2, and put 15. Yeah, looks a little bit smaller, tiny miny. So a little bit like this, and like this. Okay, this is our health. So we can, or you can put like this, or you can put any image on your like heart image. Okay, so in this tutorial, nothing more, everything is completed. And in the after this video I will show you how to reload system, and we will create advanced reloading system. So thank you guys, and please like and share my tutorial, and please like tutorials because it encourage me. Don't dislike my tutorial, because tutorial is learning things. So you can dislike my videos, wipes and my personal projects, but it's a tutorial. So if you dislike anybody tutorials, so it discourages that person. So maybe he don't make tutorials for future, because you discourage that person. So please always keep like Unreal tutorial, not my if you find on YouTube, you can like tutorials, because they spend a lot of time only just for you, to teach you and to tell you some secrets. So please support our community, Unreal community. There are a lot of people who really work hard on tutorials, and you always support them, and give always like, never dislike tutorials. It's humble request to everyone, because if you dislike, people really feel bad about this, because they invest their time. If you like their videos, the person really appreciate your liking and make more stuff for you. So thank you guys, hope you understand what I'm saying. So please like tutorials, and if you don't understand tutorial, you can comment on the video, and you can ask where you if you have any problem. But this is not you can come and without watching 40 to 30 minute tutorial, you just give a dislike in 2 to 3 minutes, because I get 2 to 3 minutes dislike on my tutorial. That is very disappointing me. So I really feel very bad, because in the last I think last video I upload, and people suddenly I upload, and after 2 to 3 minutes I got 3 dislike. What? 3 dislike? That is I think 24 or 30 minute video, I don't remember correctly, but they don't see my videos and they give a dislike. So please support. That's what I am saying to you. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for who like my videos. Thank you all. And if you have any problem, you can join with my FB page, and you can message on FB Messenger. You can message me if you have any problems. So I will keep touch on there with you guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.